Hello, in the last video we saw how to use the elements of perspective to create a landscape, which is an external figure. Now we are going to use the same elements and see how they work to create an internal view. In this case, we are going to create a bedroom. Let's see how these elements work. So the first thing here for drawing this internal space of this room is to start with a rectangle using the ruler. After I have this rectangle done, I must place the vanishing point. To make this easier, we need to add some diagonal lines to connect the corners of the rectangle and place the vanishing point in where these lines meet. Now we add another rectangle and the corners must be placed over the diagonal lines, and I am going to use these lines as guides for placing my walls and the objects inside the room. Like this window I am drawing now, following a pair of orthogonal lines that meet at the vanishing points. Some of the lines are going to be parallel because they are the sides of the window, they are the vertical lines of the window. I keep on drawing these lines wherever I need to add another object in my room. For example, to add this bedroom, some of the lines are following the orthogonal lines because they need to be in perspective. Other lines are parallel because they are the vertical lines of the object. Some objects are not going to follow these orthogonal lines. For example, the objects that we place at the end, on the end wall of this room, do not follow these lines. On the contrary, they needed is if they were placed in another place like this table here, some of the lines are going to follow the orthogonal lines. But for example, I'm going to add a door now, and this door will not follow the lines. Here, the doll is placed on the back wall and it's not following any orthogonal lines. And here we have picture that doesn't follow those lines too. But the next picture I'm going to add, it is placed on this side wall, so it needs to follow the orthogonal lines of my figures. So you just need to keep on adding details to make the scene, the room more interesting, and you will see where you need to add the orthogonal lines and where you do not need them. And then you just finish your drawing. I hope you like it.